We're back at the Black Cat Roundabout, and we've come along again to have a look and see what's happened this week. And I'm going to be honest, there's been some crazy changes already. So we've seen the metalworks, and thanks to a viewer who pointed out last week that the silos on the left-hand side up here had been moved. There's been silos there for ages. But if we look down, look how deep they've gone already. And yeah, they're working on a Sunday morning. There's a digger there, clearing that part. There is a digger down here, clearing this part. I'm not sure if that one's working. Must be. There's people down there. You can see the piling. But there's been so much already removed. It's huge. And let's have a look around and see what's gone on. So, like I said, you've got those two massive now holes that have been dug. Someone asked on Facebook about this again, and I had to come along and have a look, because it seems the changes are happening so quickly, even coming weekly now. You can see different things, and different things have changed. So we'll come out and get a nice wide view. Hopefully that crane won't be getting used today as you view your overall site. Quick update on the roadworks. Great Barford Road closed next weekend to allow for the new section to be put in place. Well, it says a realignment, so I'm assuming it's going to be the opening of that new section. So yeah, those silos that were at the top there, they've all gone. I think they're now on the A1 southbound. But the difference, this hole is massive, isn't it? As we come over the top, just gives you an idea of how much more they've got to take out. I mean, they've been digging this now for a week. Looks like they barely started. So as if there's just one person using a spade. And as we come forward, we'll be able to see the one at the back there. I think the excavators come out while I was setting up, because I do some pictures first, which go on Facebook. So if you want to have a look at some photos or the Facebook reels, come and check it out. Yeah, the digger was, I think he was in there. Oh no, he's still there. Different aspect. So yeah, that pad there on the left hand side, that had them orange silos on. That pad there had those orange silos on, and you can see that they're gone. But the other thing I've noticed is, sorry for the repetitive zooms, is that the start of the embankment being created. Have they tipped that there? Is that going to form the embankment, separating these new roads? Certainly looks like it, doesn't it? But there we are. Look how deep that is. It's huge. 120,000 lorry loads to come out. And we can see just why now. It's going to be a big, deep excavated bit for the A1. And it's going to take a couple of months by the look of it, isn't it? By the time they get that one out. They'll have to then move where this crane is. So I think this bit here, we said this before, I think this is where the new road's going to go to connect the two underpasses, because of course there's going to be a roundabout in the middle here. So I expect that's what's going to happen there. The bridge will pass over the top, and then this temporary road will be removed. As we come round, have a look down the far side. Bit of a different angle. And if you can hear the digger and sounds like a piling rig banging away. And what they're doing is they're using the bridge there to take the muck over here, and it's getting dumped there as well. There's that new bridge over the River Great Ouse. Like I said, the Barford Road's closed next weekend. And that's to allow for the tie-in of the new road. Lots of supplies down there. Look at all that. All got to go in. Still plenty to do here at the Black Cat Roundabout. So that's the main bit of the update, I guess. There's no difference, obviously, obviously to me, at the Kelpie Marina. You see they're holding back this bit here. It's such a huge job, isn't it? Look at that. So what is that doing? Is that damp? Is that for the dust? Or is that something to retain it? There we are. That's a nice close-up. You can see... Oh no, they're spraying the concrete, aren't they? That's what they're doing. They're spraying the metal. And it looks like that's actually not digging, is it? It's spinning the pile. Is it digging a pile in, maybe? That's what that's up to. You can see the other piles behind. Switch to zoom. Sorry, I know people hate it. Keep it on 6. It's normally a bit clearer. So it looks like they've had to dig down. That's the noise you can hear, is that pounding away. But yeah, that's really interesting. Sorry, I was just standing watching it for a while there. Stuff you don't see. Clearly there is water in here. There's a pump running there as well, isn't there? See it running up the top. I wonder where it goes to. Can we see? No, disappears. There is going to be a load of drainage work to be done. We just saw the pipes there, didn't we? So we come along the back. See the scheme from the other angle. So I guess they're digging out the other side while they lay the piling on that side. Here we are over the other side, looking back towards Junction 13. There's the Black Cat Roundabout itself. So along this side. Never really can spot anything on this side. All seems to be pretty much held, waiting for the main bit to be done. I mean, there's even a bit of old carriageway there, isn't there? But I guess there's little bits happening that we don't spot. There's that excavator down below. So it is Sunday morning. They are working. We're going to dig all the way down there to carry the A1 under here, because there's going to be that new dual carriageway running from Junction 13. We'll come along around the back, just give you a different view. As we come around the back of where they're going to dig the pit in. There you are, there's that view down towards the Kelpie Marina. That's the former A1 carriageway, would have been here. You can see it would have ran straight down the middle there. There's that new angle for the new road. So much to be done around it still. Them steelworks on the right hand side. And as we come along the back, you see the steelworks there in the middle. Looks like they've progressed a little bit. All the drainage works. And you can see as we come across just how big that hole's going to be. That's why it's so many, and we'll sit on top of the other flyover and have a look from this angle as well. So like I said, I think they're using the soil to build the embankments that they're taking out. So maybe they're not going onto the main road network with it. Lovely sun coming out today. Got a load of garden work to do, so it's really nice weather. Got that pylon rig on the left hand side of the screen. So there we are there, we're looking towards Cambridge. I went to Oxford yesterday. I had to go down so I live in Flitwick. I had to go down the M1 instead of going through Milton Keynes and Buckingham. Hadn't been to Oxford in years, and I can't wait for this to open, to give such an easy link to Cambridge, rather than going around the back and into along St Neots. And as we come down here, you can see the works on the southbound carriageway as well. So lots happening here. I'm going to try and keep up with these on a weekly basis as much as I can. And the progress is just mind-blowing. How quickly they're doing things and how much changes just on a weekly basis. You can see there the old carriageway has been removed. As we look into the sun, I don't want to do that because of the glare, so let's take it away from that angle. But yeah, there's the A1 Black Cat Roundabout works. As we look over the scheme, we've done every other angle. Let's get that last one from here. There we are, looking northbound. We'll have a quick fly over the top, just to get that depth. Of course, we've already done this. We did this angle at the start of the video. So where's those silos? Sorry, there they are now. So they moved to there. They were up on that concrete pad at the top. So I'm going to call it a day there. I've got a lovely day in the garden. Hopefully the rain's going to keep off. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, I love the positive feedback I get for these. That's the Black Cat Roundabout on the 1st of March. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.